To enable or disable overcharge protection on a Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to battery. Once you open battery settings, then here you can find battery protection. And here we can enable and disable battery protection, which is pretty much the overcharge protection. And you can decide if you want to use smart charge, or sorry, the smart schedule, which allows the AI to learn your charging pattern. And then based on the collected information, the phone can stop charging at 80%. And then when the phone knows that you are about to unplug the charger in advance, of course, then the phone might allow itself to charge from 80 to 100%. There is also the manual schedule, which just simply sets up the 80% limit. But in addition to that, we can also go to settings over here, and we have the always and specific hours options. If you set it to always, the limit is going to be always enabled. So you will always be able to charge only to 80%. And if you set it to specific hours, then only during that selected time, there is going to be the 80% limit. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.